This is the primary bedroom, bathroom, suite. Primary bedroom, suite, bathroom. Got wallpaper. Got a bit of cracking inside of this window. We do have a vent fan. We have a luminary to provide a heat lamp. We have a heat lamp. Okay, the lavatory basin, these are 19-inch. When you see these aluminum rings around them, they do not manufacture these sinks anymore. So if you're going to replace them, it looks like you got a little leakage around the handle. And when these sinks are going to be replaced, you're not going to find one to fit that hole. So you're going to end up replacing the countertop. Commode, everything goes down, supposed to go down. Supposed to go down, goes down. Bye, Candy. Separate handles. By today's standards, we'd have a single mix valve. This spray head sprays crazy. It does. It's a crazy spray and spray head. Alright. So we're coming on along. This is the hallway bathroom. And these sinks do not drain very well. Oh, let's go back here for a moment. It's wet. It's been leaking. Wrinkled carpet. Wrinkled carpet. These sinks do not drain. This is the shaving station, I guess. Got lots of powder. I know hot's on the left, cold's on the right. Got a lot of tape underneath here and stuff. I've just kind of been working on this. Got some unidentified organic substance. Look at that. This vent fan vents directly into the attic. Look at all that. Is that incredible or what? There. Hot's on the left, cold's on the right. The shower faucet does not work. The shower head, I don't know, it does not divert properly. No GFCI. Now in the other bathroom, the GFCI was weak. We come along through here. This is the interior appliances and interior plumbing and appliances. This is the microwave. I guess it's popped its last popcorn. It's gone. This is the oven. The timer doesn't work. I don't inspect timers. I guess that's why they put the little things over there, because it wasn't working. Okay, I get that. The oven light doesn't work. Bake works. Let's try broil here for a moment. The insulation is torn on the oven. This is the cooktop, and these two burners work and these two burners do not. This is the vent fan, and we're missing our diffuser lens cover over it, and we're also missing our filter over the fan right there. I usually like to collect data plates. You don't see those on the videos, but for my client I like to collect data plates. But this one is just wore out. I can't do that. So it's vented, it goes up to the attic. I wasn't able to get to this part of the attic to see what it looks like inside the attic, but it does have a vent hood on the roof. It does have a vent hood on the roof. Alright. Good home inspection.